In this video, I'll show you how to print from a USB drive on your Canon MAXIFY MB2720. As you see here, I'm able to read whatever is on my USB drive, and let me just show you how this can be printed. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that your USB drive is formatted in FAT32 or exFAT. These are formats that this printer will be able to read. Then you simply have to insert it on the lower left side where the USB port is located, just like this. Now let's go and check the screen. Once you have input your USB drive, you're going to get a confirmation message that it has been connected. Now press the home button once and swipe towards the right side. You're going to have access medium on the lower left side option here. Click on it. It will read whatever is on your USB drive. Now you have to select if you want to print pictures or documents. I want to print a picture, so I'll select the first option. And it will start reading all the pictures that are currently on the USB drive. Now, some of them you won't be able to see the thumbnail, like this one. You see, if you see a question mark, it means that it's not able to read the file. You can swipe left and right, and as you see here, these are different pictures I have on my USB drive. So just by doing this, select the one you want to print. Let's say I want to print this one. Press on it once. Settings, click on it. Make sure these settings are appropriate. So in my case, I simply want to print this picture on a normal sheet of paper, a letter size. So I have to change a few things. So page size, I'll click here, and instead of 4:6, let me select letter. Oops, I select A4, I'll select letter. Then type, this is very important, select the type of paper. In my case, I simply want to print on a plain paper, so I'll select plain paper. And here are other options, just make sure that everything is okay with you. And once you're ready, you're going to print the picture or the document using these two buttons. So if you want in color, well, easy, press the green button. If you want in black and white, press the white button. In my case, I want a color one. Make sure you have some paper inserted in the paper cassette, this one or this one. Extend the paper output, and I'll press here, color. Let's wait. And here we go. The picture has been printed beautifully on this paper. And by the way, you can also scan documents, okay, from here and get the results on your USB drive if you prefer this way. To do that, I'll just show you because it's very quick. Press the home button. Over here, press, home button, good. Press scan. Click on USB flash drive is the third option. Click Save to USB flash drive, save scan data to a USB flash drive. Whoops, is the first option. Make sure these settings are okay with whatever file you want to scan. And once you're ready, again, press the green button for color scan or the white one for black and white. I'll press this one this time. And I just have to wait. You're gonna get a result here. Press apply. And it will be saved. As you see here, it has been confirmed saved. You can press the end, remove your document, remove your USB drive, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you want to get some ink, some paper, or even a brand new printer, go through my Amazon links. Every time you go through them, I get a very small commission from Amazon and you help supporting my channel.